Welcome! Today I will show one of my absolute favorite creations. This is a riff on a Cuba Libre, but it's basically the Cuba Libre goes old fashioned. So firstly, 15 milliliters of Coca-Cola syrup, cinnamon tincture, Angostura bitters, chocolate bitters, a cask strength Cuban rum, 50 milliliters, and then lastly 2 dashes of salt solution. Then we stir this up to dilute it. It's cold enough. Get rid of any water in our glass. And then we strain this. Then we garnish with an orange zest. Then we enjoy this one. That's a dang good Cuba Liberada. Rum and Coke Old Fashioned for you folks. Very heavy on the ginger, cinnamon, Cuban cask strength rum, but also with some nice brown sugar. I hope you enjoy this one. Cheers.